What up everyone? I hope everyone has been good. It has been a few months since I've made a video and you have probably been wondering what's going on. So I'm back. Basically I never left. I just had a break. I had a massive summer and just working for yourself, like running a business and making videos was just a little bit hectic. So after Christmas, I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go on holidays. Went down the coast for 2 weeks, came back, just had a month or two off, 3 months, whatever it was, and just chilled. But I've still been working, still been doing it. I actually just went and got a new tool bag. I'm a Vito boy now. It's a small backpack. Yeah, so that's basically what the go is. Nothing much has been happening, just chilling. I got engaged actually, so that's pretty cool. She said yes, so how good is that? But apart from that, man, just been working. So anyway, I made a video, I think it's a couple of videos back, about a Actron soft starter, and quite a few people have messaged me asking for the wiring diagram. So I went to a job this week and was like, went there, found a soft starter all burnt out, ripped it out, and then after I ripped it out I was like, you know what, I'm just going to make another video about it. So that's what this video is about. So yeah, if you want the wiring diagram, just let us know. But you know, it's pretty easy. You might even get it from just the video. It's nothing hard about it. Yeah, anyway, we're about to hit 5,000 subscribers too, so thanks everyone for that. That's awesome. So anyway, that's the go, that's what's happening. I hope everyone had a good Easter, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Let's go. Alright, so soft starters failed and the capacitors failed, so I carry that in the car. I normally carry these, but I didn't this time, had to go get one. So once again, I'm going to get rid of the soft starter because yeah, get rid of it, not a fan, and go from there. So most of the time it just takes out the soft starter, but sometimes it takes out the capacitor as well. It's 50-50.